Well, this is our new apartment, and I'm very, very excited to show you our new apartment. Ta-da! You're most welcome. So this is our new living room, and this is your TV, new couch. And this is our new kitchen. We broke here the wall and we opened the balcony, so now we have enough place to the oven and for many closets for garbage and stuff like that. Woofy over here wants to say hello. Woofy! To mommy! All my sunsets. This is a new sunset. This is my mom and my dad. The picture took in 69 and I photoed that from a regular picture to a digital file and then I photoed that. The first room, which is your room, I'm sorry about the mess because we're still still working on the house. So this is your room. You have a closet. You have double bed, and the most important thing, you have your own air conditioner and new air conditioner, which work the best you can find in Israel. Only for you, so you should come. This is our shower. We have a bath and we have a shower also. שירה יפה כנרת. ברור. פה צריכה להראות על הדושבי, זה רק שירקון.
היי לורי. רציתי גם.
אני משאיר הסוף כנרת?
עוד מעט ספר לי.
טלפון לג'ייסון.
We have a bathroom over here. And this is our office. Leo, say hello to Lori. Oh, did you see Leo without the hair? How is it without the hair?
Beautiful, I know.
פספסנו את הדיקורטים בזה, במקלחת, תחזרי אחר כך לשם.
And the last room is our bedroom. And Boofy's bed also with us. And that's it. I can't wait until your next vacation in Israel. We miss you a lot. And I wish you Happy New Year. Healthy New Year, rich New Year, and I hope that Christmas paid the bills.